Severe thunderstorm warning for the following county.
Fuck.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern San Bernardino County in Southern California until 3:15 p.m. PDT. At 2:20 p.m. PDT, a severe thunderstorm was located 20 miles east of China Palms Airport, or 28 miles east of 29 Palms, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern San Bernardino County. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. PBT for the following county, San Bernardino, California. San Bernardino, California. Time observations for Inland Empire area. At the Riverside Airport, it was sunny. Temperature was 97 degrees, dew point 54, and the relative humidity.
Oh no! Here we go.
Radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in the New York Firebird area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding.
Of low water.
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings. Creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include the New York Firebird area. The following areas in California: Apple and Lucerne Valley, Coachella Valley, Orange County Coastal, Orange County Inland.
The ones that I think were some of the best records ever made by the band.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings. Creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of San Bernardino County. This includes the following roads: Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 110 and 126.
Daylight time observation for Inland Empire area. At the Riverside Airport, it was sunny. Temperature was
Early Tuesday, Chevrolet. Do a Silverado Superstore just off I-15 in Victorville.
was 29.77.
The National Weather Service
Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning
For the following county, San Bernardino, California.
until 7:15
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for
San Bernardino County in Southern California until 7:15 p.m. At 4:46 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across San Bernardino County. Flash flood warning or expected to begin shortly. Hazards, life-threatening flash flooding
of low water.
thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
Dry washes and
Source radar.
some locations
Interstate 40 in California, between mile miles 36 and 109. State Route 62 in San Bernardino County, and mile 159.
daylight time observations for Inland Empire area. At the Riverside Airport, it was sunny. Temperature was 6 degrees, 3.64, and the humidity 24%. Wind was less than 17 miles an hour.
We are going to get now more of this information from our National Weather Service here for the thunderstorm warning.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following county, Tehama, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Tehama County in Northern California until 5:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Saddle Camp, or 15 miles south of Yala Bali District RS, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Tehama County west of Saddle Camp. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county, Tehama, California.
All right, and that warning again is set to end at 5:57 p.m. It's 5:05.
And there we go.
For the following county, San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning
For the following county, San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, San Bernardino County in southern California, south central Northern County in southern Nevada, until 8:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, or 8:45 p.m. CPT, and 5:40 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, or 5:40 p.m. CPT.
Indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across our southern part, extremely intense and western Mojave County.
Producing flash flooding. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms continuing over southeast San Bernardino County.
At 7:09 p.m. PGT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms continuing over southeast San Bernardino County.
Thunderstorms
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low-water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Essex.
For the following counties: San Bernardino, California. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. PD.
San Bernardino, California. San Bernardino County in Southern California until 11:30 p.m. PGT. At 8:21 p.m. PGT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain moving into the Morongo Basin from the south. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly.
Nice.
Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low-water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Flintine Palms, Yucca Valley, 29 Palms Base, 29 Palms Airport, Joshua Tree Lake Campground, Joshua Tree in Morongo Valley. This includes the following roads: State Route 247 in San Bernardino County between mile markers 1 and 5. State Route 62 in San Bernardino County between mile markers 1 and 57.
Time observation for Inland Empire area. At the Riverside Airport, it was clear. Temperature was 81.
Never left me quite this so.
Tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the Antelope Valley, Calabasas, and other hills, Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands, Central Ventura County valleys, Eastern Antelope Valley foothills, Eastern San Fernando Valley, Eastern San Gabriel Mountains, Eastern Santa Monica Mountains, Los Angeles County beaches, Los Angeles County inland coast, including downtown Los Angeles, Malibu Coast, Northern Ventura County Mountains, northwestern Los Angeles County Mountains, including the Interstate 5 corridor, Palos Verdes Hills, San Gabriel Valley, Santa Clarita Valley, Santa Susana Mountains, southeastern Ventura County valleys, southern Ventura County Mountains, western Antelope, Down foothills, western San Fernando Valley, western San Gabriel Mountains, including the Highway 14 corridor and western Santa Monica Mountains.
iHeartRadio Music Festival is coming back to T-Mobile Arena.
Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen.
Indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain near Vidal Junction. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
Dry washes and roads.
Radar.
Some locations may experience
Life-threatening flash flooding of low-water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Highway 95 at mile marker 29, Parker Dam, Vidal Junction, Big River, and
Local
Landing Campground.
for the following areas in California: Apple and Lucerne Valleys, Coachella Valley, Orange County Coastal, Orange County Inland, Riverside.